Let's talk ground engaging tools, or GET. It's not always top of mind, but smart operations know that GET can impact machine performance by up to 20%. And the smartest operations? They choose Caterpillar for GET parts and service solutions. So, what's the difference with CAT GET? Let's take a closer look. CAT offers a full line of GET products that deliver results for all machines in your fleet. Products are backed by OEM expertise, with design know-how, a focus on improving results, and when it comes to service, there's no one better. We lead the industry in product availability, so you can get any part for any fleet, anytime, anywhere. Our unmatched dealer network offers you site-based expertise, from simple part changeouts to disassembling an entire machine. And beyond the iron, there's inspection insights and performance monitoring that help you make decisions to plan maintenance, achieve your production goals, and track cost of operation. Customers around the world are seeing proven results from CAT GET, like a copper mine in China, whose excavator's GET wear life increased by 30%, or the Brazilian construction company who cut downtime on a machine by 50%, and a paver in North America who doubled their tip life on a wheel loader. The point is, in today's competitive landscape, your GET decision's more than just a tool on a machine. It's a choice to drive results for your entire operation. Your CAT dealer helps you plan what's best for your work, offers flexible options like customer value agreements, and guides you toward a whole new level of performance. Ready for a solution to make a real difference for your business? Take a closer look at CAT GET.